what they say about me. I feel like a captain on my own spaceship. Don't you wanna join my ecstatic army? Step inside and don't be afraid anymore. Keep this feeling away.
In typical summer fashion, it comes in and then it goes by really, really fast. So we are 2 weeks out from Labor Day, so I'm going to be able to switch to fall hours, and I think everybody is ready to switch to fall hours because at this time during the season, everybody starts to get pretty burnt out. I have not vlogged in, I don't even know how long, what, a couple of years maybe? Well, maybe I did like I think maybe I did an update video about maybe 6 months ago. I don't even remember, it's been a very long time. This season has been fantastic. I've been having a really good time with the animals and running Jack and Pickles. I've been cleaning rental houses, and Terry and I wrapped up filming. We finished filming our pilot, and we are waiting at this point to get some dates for when the 6 weeks of filming are going to be. And let's see, it's been a great summer for finishing up projects, for finalizing a lot of different things, for getting a lot of things done that Terry and I have been talking about for years. So, yeah, it's been good. It's been really good. Some big equipment going. We've had a lot of action, a lot of people working on the sewer system, and hey baby. It has been a great summer, but we are starting to wind down. I think that around this time of the season, everybody starts to get pretty burnt out. It's a very busy season. This is when people are really earning their money. So they wear multiple hats, everybody has multiple jobs, and it's just go, 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 go. So I think at this point, you know, I think we're, what are we, about 2 weeks out from Labor Day. I have no idea when I'm going to end up posting this, but as of right now, we are about 2 weeks out from Labor Day. So that is when the tour boats, the big tour boats, stop going during the week, and it switches to the fall time schedule, which is just on the weekends. And that means that I'm also going to be changing my business hours as well. Right now I am Wednesday through Sunday. Sorry, there's so much traffic going by right now. There was nothing until I pulled my camera out. There's a lot of island projects that are happening right now, which is pretty exciting. We're getting a new sewer system. We've got Verizon here putting in broadband, finally. Smith Island just landed a $4 million grant. So we're getting new broadband, so there's a lot of workers on the island. But anyways, what was I saying? This time of year, everyone's starting to get tired, and my hours will be switching as well, since there's not going to be any tour boats. I'm not going to be open during the day, just in the evenings. And then in September, I think I'm probably going to go all through September, and I might even go through October if it's, you know, weather permitting. So that's where we're at right now. What you doing, Spanky? Huh? What you talking about? What, Spanky? You like that house? What you doing, buddy? Percy. Terry in his tow truck. yard like this for a long time. So in the fall we can get some high tides. They are typically not this high. This is because we have had some supermoons and some other states' hurricanes are kind of pushing the weather into, so it's pretty crazy. So there's so much water right now, it's very easy to just grab a kayak and go.
It's cold.
It's alright. Ooh! Wow. It is so deep down there.
All they got to do is flip that red one over and go.
Whoa. Look at that. The water is up. See where the pillar is right there? It's pretty deep. Chickens are absolutely loving. Most of them are in the coop, but some of them stayed out because they love collecting all these bugs.
They got spiders that swim on top of the water. They eat them.
Some minnows.
I don't know if they eat minnows or not, but they eat the bugs on top of the water. You're missing it.
I haven't done anything yet.
Hey, you take advantage. You take advantage of these kind of days.
I remember this being the toughest part to get through, but once you get down there,
Oh, it gets deeper.
yeah, it gets much deeper. Alright, you guys have fun.
It's very soothing when you do that, though.
I'm vlogging with smut on my nose.
Yeah, it was black. I'm not kidding. You had smut all over your nose. Let me look. You got it.
I got it?
Yeah. You were black. I mean, your whole nose was black.
Oh yeah, look, there it is.
It was all over his...
Oh. Come on.
Your whole nose was black. That's why I always like the fall. Yeah.